But cutting the cord will hurt you. It's like when we meet people, you send energy to each other. Say the marriage broke, partnership broke, you got angry, or you just separating with good terms. You will see, although you are not together, so it's like that person is right in the head. So how can we not think about another person that we spend a good amount of time and lots of energy? So it's difficult. So the person is just in the head. Energy that is sent to the other person already. So when you cut, you still have the energy of the other person with you. So what can you do for the best for yourself? Release the feelings. Now, so what I'm going to do is we will go through some breathing together. Just follow me. A guided meditation with you. So I'm doing it the Qigong way. So you can close eyes, will be better. Now, head relax. Neck relax. Shoulders relax. Chest relax. Abdomen relax. Back relax. Arms relax. Hands, fingers can relax. My legs, my ankles, my feet, toes, relax. So breathe in and breathe out with the nose. Again. Head relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Shallow breathing is perfect. Neck relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Shoulders relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Chest relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Abdomen relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Back relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Hands relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Leg, feet, toes relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Whole body relax. Breathe in, relax. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Relax. Follow me. I respect myself. Yes, it's difficult. Love myself. Love me. Love me. Love yourself. Love yourself. Love you. Love your feelings. Yes, it's difficult. I love myself. Yes, it's difficult. I love me. I love me, respect myself. It's okay to feel weak. It's okay. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm willing to release my difficult feelings. Breathe in the good energy, release what you don't want. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring hand down. Let's quiet down for a moment. Breathe in, breathe out. It's good to release. I'm ready to release now. Every time I breathe out, I release. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. How are you feeling now? So all vibrations we have, they are part of me. Whether they're sad, they're angry, they're frustrated, they worry, they're all me. But when we practice Qigong, we are meeting the love energy. I'm in love practicing. I breathe in the good and I release the not so good. Yes, I have the practice on it. And we have system to train you how to do them better. But maybe I can make a decision to release right now. If I am able to release, just like this, it's gone. Or I can work on myself. It's good. Keep practicing. If you like more what to do with feelings, and check out my book, Unlocking Your Happiness Within. Living the life you choose with Qigong is wonderful read. Plus, there's a workbook too. So follow me, and there are more things you can do with me, and check out the link below. Okay, sounds